As we know, iPadOS 26 is coming this fall. But are you aware of whether your device gonna get it or not? Well, in this video of iPadEssentials, we're going to talk about the list of iPad's versions that are going to get this major version release of iPadOS 26. So without further ado, let's jump right in. And before I jump into the list, if you are iPad enthusiast or look for how I can make my iPad more productive, then do consider subscribing to iPadEssentials, as we keep on bringing several productivity tips related to iPad in this channel, helping you to become more productive. Now coming to the list, starting with our favorite series, which is the iPad Pro. So if I talk about iPad Pro M4 for sure going to get this iPadOS 26. But which is the lowest model in Pro series? So as I know, as of today, the first generation 2018 model of iPad Pro 12.9 inch or newer going to get this iPadOS 26. So if you have got like even 5-year-old iPad, you are still good to go. Now let's talk about Air series. So when we talk about Air, if you have like iPad Air powered by M2 chip and newer, for sure you're gonna get this iPadOS 2026 update. And if I talk about from the lower side of spec from iPad Air, then from third generation, which is like launched in 2019 and newer, going to get this iPadOS 26 update. Now let's talk about the budget line. So if you have like 8th generation or iPad that came in 2020, you're also going to get this iPadOS 26 update. And if I go toward higher side, of course, the iPad that is powered by A17 chip, for sure going to get this iPadOS 2026 update. Now let's talk about the mini. So if you have got iPad mini, which is like 5th gen or newer, going to get this iPadOS 26 update. And yes, there is one important thing. All the flashy Apple Intelligence features need an M series chip or at least A17 Pro chip to work. If you have, let's say for example, older generation chip, let's say from A12 to A16, still you will be getting iPadOS 26, but just without Apple Intelligence. But to be honest, till now, it really didn't make any difference. You install ChatGPT and that is, I would say, still more than enough. Is your iPad getting this 26 update? And if you'd like to try it straight away in developer beta mode, then do check out the video that I'm gonna add in the description of this video, where I have showcased how one can install iPadOS 26 developer beta in their iPad. But do it with caution, because developer builds generally have many of bugs. So if you cannot tolerate those bugs, do not install it. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to iPadEssentials. In this channel, our objective is to elevate your iPad user experience. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.